For over 113 years, one question has haunted historians. How could the world's most advanced ship sail straight into danger after receiving multiple warnings? The crew knew ice was ahead. Nearby ships tried to warn them. The captain never slowed enough. And when help was only a few miles away, it never came. Was the Titanic simply unlucky? Or was it destroyed by a chain of hidden decisions that no one realized were fatal until it was too late? Tonight, we're uncovering the mystery beneath the legend. Everyone remembers the iceberg, but almost nobody talks about the decisions made before Titanic ever touched the ice. Because the real mystery isn't what happened after the collision. It's everything that happened before it. The closer historians look, the stranger the story becomes. Chapter 1. The ship everyone trusted. April 10th, thousands gathered to watch the largest passenger ship ever built leave Southampton. The RMS Titanic, built with revolutionary engineering, luxury unlike anything the world had ever seen, and safety features that convinced many people she could survive almost anything. Passengers believed they were boarding the safest ship on Earth. No one imagined they were stepping into one of history's greatest disasters. But hidden behind the excitement, small warning signs had already begun to appear. No one noticed them. At least, not yet. Chapter 2. The warnings that changed everything. Throughout April 14, wireless messages arrived one after another. Ice ahead. Massive ice fields. Dangerous drifting bergs. The Mesaba warned them. The Baltic warned them. Even the Californians stopped because the ice was too dangerous. Titanic received the messages. That part isn't a mystery. The mystery is why so little changed. Some warnings never reached the bridge. Others were reportedly set aside. Meanwhile, Titanic continued through the darkness at nearly full speed. Even today, historians still debate why. Chapter 3. The perfect night for disaster. The North Atlantic looked peaceful. Too peaceful. There was no moon, no wind, no waves. Normally, waves crashing against an iceberg create white water, making it visible from miles away. But on this night, the sea became a giant black mirror. The iceberg disappeared into the darkness. Then, 11:40 p.m., the lookout rang the bell. "Iceberg right ahead!" Less than 40 seconds remained. 40 seconds to save the largest ship on Earth. Chapter 4. The collision nobody expected. The bridge reacted instantly. Hard to port. Engines reversed. But physics had already won. Titanic weighed over 46,000 tons. She couldn't turn quickly enough. Instead of a massive crash, the iceberg silently scraped along the starboard side. Most passengers barely felt anything. Some even laughed. They had no idea 6 tiny openings below the waterline were enough to destroy the impossible. Chapter 5. The Fatal Mistake. Titanic wasn't supposed to sink. Her watertight compartments were designed to contain flooding, but the iceberg damaged too many compartments at once. As the bow sank, water spilled over each bulkhead, like dominoes falling one after another. The ship wasn't sinking because of one giant hole. She was sinking because the design had one hidden weakness, a weakness almost nobody understood until it was too late. Chapter 6. The Ship That Watched. Perhaps the greatest mystery wasn't aboard Titanic at all. It was another ship, the SS Californian. Its crew reportedly saw lights. They saw rockets rise into the sky, but they didn't recognize them as distress signals. Or at least, they didn't act in time. Just a few miles away, hundreds of lives may have depended on one decision. Even today, historians continue to debate exactly what happened that night. The Titanic wasn't defeated by an iceberg alone. It was defeated by timing, communication, overconfidence, darkness, design flaws, missed opportunities, and a series of ordinary decisions that became catastrophic when combined. More than a century later, the wreck still lies nearly 4 kilometers beneath the Atlantic. Its steel is disappearing. Its secrets are fading. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is whether we'll ever know the full truth about what happened on that cold April night.
Was the Titanic just a tragic accident, or a disaster that could have been prevented? Share your theory in the comments and subscribe for more hidden mysteries.